Long division, here we go, 4-digit by 2-digit. This is your last long division assignment for this pathway, so woo, party, party. One thing to know about the assignment, it says estimate the quotient, then divide. You can just do the long division. You do not have to estimate first. You also might need more space than what is given on here, so you can do your work elsewhere, put it on here. You won't want to use a calculator because I believe some of these have remainders and that won't work on your calculator. So do it by hand and let me know if you need help. This video is going to be about the more quote-unquote standard way to do the division. So first problem we're going to go over, 6,479 divided by 36. Okay, remember, I'm drawing this not like partial quotients, but just to separate my workspace so I don't get the numbers mixed up. I still have the same steps. How many times? Multiply, subtract, bring it down. So how many times does 36 go into 6? It does not. It is too big. How many times does 36 go into 64? Okay, well, I can write my multiples of 36. That can help. 6 plus 6 is 12. That is 7. So that's my first one. That's my second one. Ooh, 72 is too big. So I know it only goes in one time. Multiply. 1 times 36 is 36. Subtract 64 minus 36. 4 minus 6 I can't do, so I need to borrow. 14 minus 6 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down my next digit, the 7. Back up to the top. How many times does 36 go into 287? Well, goodness. I'm going to be writing my multiples for a while if I choose to do it that way. Or I can just guess, like, okay, well, what's 36 times 7? That would be 42. Oopsies. Almost wrote my numbers backwards. Oh, no. And I wouldn't have you to correct me right away. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 4 is 25. Okay, so that's close. Let's see if I can do another one. Times 8. And you might use the lattice or the window method for this, which is fine. 48. 3 times 6 is 24, so that's 28. Okay, that is one too big, so I'm going to go back to 7 times. It goes in 7 times. 7 times 36 is 252. Subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, notice it's less than 36, which is good. If it's more than 36, I need to go back and try a different number. Bring down my next number 9. Go back up to the top. How many times does 36 go into 359? Well, I know 288 is smaller, so I'm going to try 9 times. I'll try window method for this. So I have 36 times 9. That is 54. That is 270. If I add those together, 4, 12, 3. And I know it will never be 10 times because that's 360. I'm never going to write a double-digit number on the top. So I know that that's as close as I can get. So it goes in 9 times. 9 times 36 is 325. 4, 3. Good. I got a number less than, oh my gosh, 0 plus 4 is 4. I hope you were yelling at your computer, and not yelling, but being like, Mrs. Morrison, you wrote the wrong thing. Okay, that's 4. So that would be 5. There we go. Still less than 36, which is good. I have no more numbers to bring down, so that's my remainder. So I get 179, remainder 35. All right. Let's do one more example. And then if you need more, you can always ask. Long division is hard, but we can do hard things. So this next one I'm going to do, oops, too close to the top. 9,532 divided by 81. I hope you are proud of me writing smaller so I can actually fit it. All right, how many times? Multiply, subtract, bring it down. Good to write those reminders to yourself. Remember, I can write all my multiples. I can write some of my multiples. The last one I did an example where I didn't write all the multiples, but you still can if that is helpful to you. Whatever strategy works best for you to figure out how many times it goes in. Let's go ahead and start though. How many times does 81 go into 9? It does not. How many times does 81 go into 95? Well, 162 is too big, so 81 it is, which is just one time. My first multiple, 1 times 81 is 81. Subtract, I get 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 3. Now, how many times does 81 go into 143? Well, notice 162 is still too big, so it's still just one time. 1 times 81 is 81 again. Subtract again. 3 times minus 1 is 2. 14 minus 8 is 6. Bring down my 2. Back up to the top. How many times does 81 go into 622? Well, I am not close enough. I need to keep on going. I'll do the adding way for this so you can remember what that looks like. Gotta keep going. 5, 10, 405. Okay, we're getting closer. We're at least in the 400s now. 6, 8. I should circle that one so I don't forget. 4. Okay, 486. I'm going to go up here. Add 81 more. 7, 16, 5. Okay, maybe once more. Let's try it and see. 8, 14, 648. Oop, that's too big. So we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times it went in. Multiply 7 times 81 is 567. Minus. If any of these steps are confusing to you, that's fine. Just come on and ask me about a particular step. 11 minus 6 is 5. So 55. I have nothing more to bring down, so it's my remainder. 117, remainder 55. Again, if you want more examples, if you still don't get it, that is fine. Just come ask for help so I can help you. I've been teaching long division a long time, so I can help you, show you some tips and tricks. Good luck.